Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Spring is in the air. It's time to do a little bit more cooking outdoors. I'm not using a canteen cup today. I like that challenge. I think it's fun to work with that, but you don't often need it. it's I'm still doing one pot. I'm not even cooking. I just want to demonstrate a couple of ideas on a quick no-bake dessert. And essentially, I'm going to make an Oreo cheesecake in one pot, and we'll see how that works out. So you guys have seen how when I'm doing backpacking meals, I like to pre-pack them in Ziploc bags. That keeps everything together, everything nice and compact, but it also provides a garbage bag for everything you wind up not using. This thing, essentially, I've got crust, which is Oreos and the graham cracker mix that normally comes with a no-bake cheesecake. And then this is the cheesecake plus a little bit of dried milk, just to give it a little more heft and flavor. I've also got a little bit of oil. Notice what I've got this in. This is a reusable baby bottle that you would put a little nipple on or whatever, but you can seal these up and save them. These are really great for carrying stuff like oil, hot sauce, things that you're going to have a quantity of. You can get smaller bottles, obviously, but these are nice because they seal up very tight and don't have to worry about packing them in your bag too much. Anyway, that's all this is. These 2 bags and that oil. We'll see what we can make out of it. So first things first. Right now, this is Oreos. I want to turn that into a cake crust, so we're going to smush them up. Being careful not to break the bag. That's the last thing I want here. Use about 2 tablespoons of this oil. At home it would be butter or something, but use a little bit of this just to get the crumbs sticking together. Get this in here. Depending on how much oil you get, you can actually form it into a crust, but I've got it in sort of a shallow bowl sort of arrangement, and that'll work just fine. Alright, part 2. Again, this is no-bake cheesecake mix and powdered milk. I'm going to go a little bit at a time. There we go, about half a cup to start with. I'm going to go a little bit at a time until I get the right consistency on this. And I'm looking for like a thick custard. You can mix it right in the bag. Just feel around for the lumps. And rather than open this bag back up, it's going to be sort of messy. What I like to do is get all of your goodness out of one corner and then just cut the corner off. Don't know if you can hear that woodpecker behind me. Okay, so from here it's like spreading icing on a cake. Just going to smooth this out a little bit. Make it look a little bit more appealing. Okay, there you go. And yeah, it's not like wedding cake worthy, but it's sure going to be tasty. It'll set up by itself when it's cool, or you can set it in a creek, get some cold water flowing around it, make it even set quicker. But anyway, we'll see how this turns out. Let it set a little bit. What do you think? That's really good. As I eat this, I'm thinking, we could do this with instant pudding, different flavors. That'd be real good. But this has that that tanginess, if you know what I mean, of a cheesecake. It's pretty good. Anyway, nice easy dessert. 5 minutes, less, depending on your chill time. And easy to carry. There's nothing to spoil. So really good stuff. Enjoy. Get out there. See you later. Bye.